Welcome back. In this video, we are going to understand dependency injection and how GetIt help us manage it. This might sound complex, but I promise by the end you will see why it's essential for clean architecture. Let me explain dependency injection with the analogy. Imagine you are a chef, you need ingredients to cook. You have two options. Option 1, go to the market yourself and find each ingredients, bring it back. Option 2, tell someone what you need and they bring it to you. So option 2 is dependency injection. The chef does not know where ingredients came from, they just arrive. In code term, without dependency injection, the product provider creates all its dependencies. It's tightly coupled to specific implementation. With dependency injection, the product provider receives its dependency through the constructor. It does not know or care how get products were created. The product provider receives its dependency through the constructor. It does not know or care how gets products were created. So let's talk about the benefits. It's easy to test, inject mock dependencies. It's flexible swap implementation without changing code. It's clean classes do one thing, not create their dependencies. GetIt is a service locator. It's like a registry where we register all our dependencies, then retrieve them when needed. Let's open our service locator.dart file and build it properly. We will go to the lib folder. And here we have the service_locator.dart file. So here we have to import everything we will register. So don't worry if these file does not exist yet. We will create them soon. And here we will comment it data sources and we will import data sources / WooCommerce API.dart. Then we will do for the repositories and we will import for the data repository / POS repository implement.dart. Then we have the use case and we will import for the domain use cases / get_products.dart, and we will do the same for the get categories.dart. Then create order.dart. After that we have to do for the provider and we will import here product provider. Then we have to do for the card provider. Then we have to import for the order provider also, provider / order provider.dart. And here we already having our instance which we created in our previous video. So here we have our setup function and there are different ways to register the dependencies. Register lazy singleton. So we are using this pattern. So register lazy singleton creates one instance when the first access, then reuse it forever. Perfect for things like HTTP client where we only need one. Lazy mean it's not created until first use. Then we have to do for the data source. We will write here GetIt.register lazy singleton WooCommerce API. We have WooCommerce API implement client and we will pass here GetIt. So for the API, we register as the abstract type WooCommerce API, but create the implementation WooCommerce API implement. You will notice here we are using here GetIt. This will retrieve the http.client which we register above this one. GetIt resolve dependencies automatically. Then for the repository, we will put here GetIt.register singleton, register lazy singleton. And we have to pass here POS repository, and same we will do with the POS implementation, and we will pass here API and we will use here GetIt. Same pattern we will register as an abstract POS repository and we will create the POS repository implementation. It's get the API from the GetIt. So now same for the use cases also. We will put here GetIt.register lazy singleton get products GetIt. Same for the get category also and create order. So use cases are singletons too. They receive the repository from the GetIt. Then we have the provider. We will put here GetIt.register factory. Then we have the GetIt register factory card provider. Then we have the GetIt register factory order provider. And providers use the registry factory. This creates a new instance each time. Why? Because the provider holds the state and we might want fresh state. So the product provider gets its use cases injected. Card provider has no dependencies. Order provider gets create order injected. And that's our complete service locator here. Let me show you how this all connects. When the app starts, main function calls setup service locator, and this registers everything but does not create anything yet. Later, when we create a product provider, GetIt create it and automatically create all its dependencies. And get provider needs POS repository, and POS repository needs WooCommerce API, and WooCommerce API needs http.clients. So GetIt resolve these changes automatically, and that's the magic. And if we want to swap the WooCommerce for a different API, we just change one registration line and everything else keep working. To summarize, dependency injection means classes receive their dependency instead of creating them. GetIt is our service locator that registers and provides dependencies. Singleton creates one instance, factory creates new instance. This enables testing, flexibility and clean architecture. In the next video, we will learn about either types for the functional error handling. I will see you there. Thank you for watching the video.